Hello everyone. Today I'm trying to change these earpads on the earphones. For the new ones, Sennheiser HD4. But it doesn't really matter because here are some other headphones and here it looks the same. I think it's similar on pretty most of the headphones. I have some pretty cool tweezers. They're very, very sharp, and I will try to get this out. We are kind of upholstering our headphones. We need to get rid of these upholstery slowly. Time for a little headphone surgery. First we say goodbye to these old pads. Absolutely crooked. These ones seen things. They serve bravely. Rest in peace, squishy friends. Frankly, I have no idea how I'm gonna put it back. Here's how it looks like inside. Here's our new upholstery. Fresh, plum, smelling faintly like factory. An ambition. And they're about to get wrestled onto these headphones. I found some other cool tools that are coming with the screwdriver. You can find the screwdriver in the description of this video. Here we have some mediators, some spatulas, and so on. I hope we could use these. Let's give these a home. How hard can it be? Turns out harder than explaining taxes to a cat. First you gently stretch it around the edge. This is not gently stretch and click. This is a full-blown thumb workout. It's like trying to put a fitted sheet on a trampoline. Or like trying to wrestle a baby octopus into a sweater. Or, I bet you know this one, stuff a sleeping bag back into its pouch. Stretch, push, swear a little, repeat. But we got this. Probably. I get one side on and the other side pops off like, haha, nice try. The iPad is mocking me. I'm questioning my life choices. I've assembled furniture with less effort. My fancy toolkit. It came with a screwdriver for fixing tiny things like phone screens, glasses, or my dignity after attack do-it-yourself fails. The headphone now has a fashionable side and a homeless one. This one is done. Now the next one. Off comes the next crusty cushion. Okay, carefully. Carefully. Yay. Let's try it without tools. Our upholstery. Here from the inner side. We go in with just hands. The old school method. Raw, emotional, and 100% powered by stubbornness. It's kind of like trying to show a trampoline onto a teacup, using your nails as tweezers. Stretch and talk, stretch and talk. Yay! We've got tweens! And now adjust it. Whoa! From sad and crusty to pillow soft perfection. Cool. So if your earbuds are peely like bad sunburn, don't throw out your headphones. Give them new ear. It's cheaper and it's oddly satisfying. I thought I might need some tools, and I got these tweezers and this little spatula. It was easier with those. But even with just your hands and a sprinkle of irrational confidence, you can totally do this. If this saved your headphones or at least gave you a laugh, hit the like, smash subscribe, and remember to give your gear a little makeover love now and then. They deserve it. Thanks for watching.